So as you can see guys, ito po yung email na na-receive ko kahapon from West Coast Mixology. So I received $10. And kung i-check naman natin dito sa my PayPal account ko, so ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, ito po yung mga previous payout ko sa West Coast Mixology or from Ads Repay. So ito po yung kahapon, check natin. So as you can see guys, my transaction details July 20, which is kahapon. So yung gross amount is $10. So wala po siyang PayPal transaction fee. Kasi included na po yun doon sa points na niredeem ko. Alright? Hey guys, welcome back to my another video, and in today's video, mag-share na naman po ako sa inyo ng another legit na website na kung saan ay pwede tayong kumita ng PayPal Cash by just doing surveys and completing tasks. Dito sa website na to, every surveys and mga tasks na makukomplete nyo is makaka-earn po kayo rito ng points, wherein magagamit nyo po yan to redeem PayPal Cash. Alright guys, before we go ahead, I will really appreciate po kung ilalike nyo na po yung video na to, and kung bago pa lang kayo sa channel na to, consider subscribing po dahil nag-upload po ako ng mga videos na pwede nating pagkakitaan like free load, free PayPal Cash, free Bitcoins, and any types of extra online income. So guys, yung website name po is adsrepay.com. So isa po itong online rewards and cashback site. So dito guys, completely free lang po to register and use. And ang maganda rito, you can start earning right away po. So paano mag-sign up dito? Nandyan po yung link sa my description. I-click nyo lang po yan, and then mariredirect po kayo dito sa site na to, which is ito. Take note guys, pwede nyo po itong ma-access sa mga phone nyo, Android device man yung gamit nyo or iOS. So pwede po yan. Just visit the site lang po using your browser. So dito guys, enter nyo lang po yung email nyo, username, and of course yung password nyo po. So dito guys, pag naglagay po kayo ng referral code dito, makaka-receive po kayo dyan ng extra points. It's up to you naman po kung gusto nyo pong i-leave as blank yan. Alright? So dito guys, pwede nyo pong gamitin itong referral code ko na to kung gusto nyo lang naman po, and pwede rin naman kayong mag-grab dyan ng referral code sa comment section natin. And after that, pwede nyo rin naman ding i-share yung referral code nyo dyan. So open po yung comment section natin to share your referral link or referral code. Alright? So once you've signed up here, makaka-receive po kayo ng email verification just to verify your account registration. So dito guys, check nyo lang po yung email nyo. Make sure guys na kung hindi nyo po marireceive sa my main folder nyo, is make sure na i-check nyo rin po sa mga spam folder nyo or kaya naman sa promotional tab. Okay? So dito po, i-click nyo lang po yung confirm your email, then you're good to go. Alright guys, so once you log in directly, dito po kayo mapupunta sa main account dashboard nyo. So as you can see, ito po yung mga offer walls. Yan po yung mga advertising agency. So as you can see, meron ditong AdGate Rewards, OfferToro, Peanut Labs, OneAds, AdGem, KiwiWall, Personally.ly, Theorem Reach, and etc. So yung mga ways to earn po rito is pwede kayong maka-earn ng points by just watching videos, doing surveys, completing tasks, and there's some sort of installing games and application. Then meron din silang paid to click, which is yung clicks and web surfing. And of course, meron din silang free trial. So ito po yung magsa-sign up kayo sa mga paid promotional products. So dito guys, syempre may bayad dito pero mas malaki din yung makukuha yung points. And yung another ways to earn dito guys is meron po silang referral program. So dito po sa referral program, dito nyo po makikita yan sa may referrals tabs. And dito nyo po makikita yung mismong referral link nyo or yung referral ID nyo. So dito po sa may referral program nila guys, makaka-receive po kayo ng 5% of your referral earnings. And 2% naman sa mga ni-refer ng mga referrals mo or yung mga downline ng referrals mo. So to take surveys dito guys or to complete offers, mamili lang po kayo rito ng advertising agency. So for example, dito sa my AdGate Rewards, click nyo lang po yan. Then dito po, hanap lang kayo rito ng mga surveys na gusto nyong i-take. So makikita nyo po rito sa my right side, yan po yung points na makukuha nyo every surveys dito. So pili lang kayo dyan guys na mga madadali and mabilis i-take na surveys. So let's say gusto nyo pong i-take tong survey na to, click nyo lang po yan. Then dito, click nyo lang po yung continue. Then mariredirect po kayo sa another page. which is mapupunta po kayo sa advertising partner ng Ads Repay. So dito guys, once you get here, so sundan nyo lang po yung instruction, click next. So, ganun lang guys, once na natapos po yung initial survey, which is for your profile survey po, is after nyan magbibigay na po sila ng survey. So, dapat makalagpas muna kayo dun sa my profile survey before kayo makapunta rito or before silang makapagbigay ng fitted survey for you. Alright, so dito, i-continue lang yan. May mga instruction naman po yan. So, hindi ko na po ipapakita yan sa inyo para hindi na humaba yung video na to. Alright, so pili lang kayo dito guys sa offer walls. Marami naman pong option dito to get your surveys and tasks. Alright guys, so once na may enough points na po kayo and kung gusto nyo na po yung i-convert into PayPal Cash, punta lang po kayo dito sa may Redeem tab and mapupunta po kayo dito. So dito guys, may kita nyo po yung mga specific points na kailangan nyo to redeem specific PayPal Cash. So as you can see guys, sa $1 PayPal Cash, kailangan nyo po dyan ng 125 points. Basically guys, yung $1 po is equivalent into 100 points. So dito, kaya lang ginawa nilang 125 points para hindi na magkaroon ng PayPal transaction fee. So buo nyo pong makukuha yung $1. Or kung sa $2 naman po is buo nyo rin pong makukuha yan. So available din dito yung $5 PayPal Cash, $10, $25, $50, and yung maximum po is $100 PayPal Cash. Okay? Alright guys, so as you can see dito sa my account ko, ilang beses na po ako ditong nakapag-request ng payout. So kung makikita nyo guys, 4 na beses na po akong nakapag-withdraw dito. So yung first withdrawal ko dito last July 8, so nakapag-withdraw ko dito ng $1. Then yung second payout ko po is $5, third payout $2, and yung recent payout ko po, which is yesterday lang po, is $10 po. So as you can see guys, ito po yung email na na-receive ko kahapon from West Coast Mixology. So I received $10. And kung i-check naman natin dito sa my PayPal account ko, so ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, ito po yung mga previous payout ko sa West Coast Mixology or from Ads Repay. So ito po yung kahapon, check natin. So as you can see guys, my transaction details July 20, which is kahapon. So yung gross amount is $10. So wala po siyang PayPal transaction fee kasi included na po yun doon sa points na ni-redeem ko. Alright? So guys, napaka-legit po ng Ads Repay, and kung gusto niyo pong i-try to, nandyan po yung link sa my description to join here. And kung gusto niyo pong gamitin yung referral code ko, ma-appreciate ko po yan. And pwede rin kayong mag-grab dyan sa my comment section natin. Like I said, pwede niyo pong i-share yung mga referral link nyo or referral code nyo dyan sa comment section natin down below. So guys, yun lang muna yung video ko for today about dito sa adsrepay.com. So kung may gusto po kayong ipa-legit check or may gusto kayong ipa-review na website or any application, i-comment nyo lang po dyan sa comment section natin, or pwede nyo po akong i-message directly sa Facebook ko or sa Telegram. So nandyan naman po yung mga social media contact ko sa my description. Okay? So yun lang muna guys. Kung nagustuhan nyo po yung video na to, give a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga next upload ko.